Hello friends, welcome to my channel RKIT Info.
Today we are going to learn how to add second cam in Zoom meeting. So let's start this video. Zoom meeting, this is my first cam. So now I will teach you how to add second cam and use it in meetings. So first of all, click on share screen. When you clicking on share screen, it's automatically open basic interface. We have to go in advanced. And in advanced, there is two more options: motion screen and music or camera. Computer sound only. Okay, so we have to select here connect from second camera. First of all, I want to show you. I already connected my second cam in this laptop. So after connecting your second camera and laptop, click on share. It will automatically share your second camera screen. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.